Okay, we're now going to answer this next one here. You might like to give this one a go yourself before watching me do it, but let's go ahead and do it. And we'll do this one primarily on the CAS, because as we'll see as we're going along, this is actually going to be one that we can't do by hand. All right, so the first things first is you want to make your matrices here. So see how I've got X, Z, then I've got Y here as well. So I'm going to have to account for those. So I'm going to make it like I've got X, I've got Y, and I've got Z there, right? So for the first line, I've got 2 X's, I've got 0 Y's, and then I've got 1 Z. For my next line here, I have 1 X, I have negative 2 Y's and no Z's. And then for my next one, I have 0 X's, I have 1 Y, and then negative 1 Z. And then I'm going to go, all right, this is being multiplied by, now it's going to be X, Y, Z. So remember, if it's X, Y, Z, it has to be X, Y, Z there. And remember, these actually don't exist. I just wrote those to help us out. Now, this is going to be equal to 5, 0, negative 1, like that. And now we've got to think, how do we solve this? So remember, what this is I've got A, which is being multiplied by this, which we'll call X, and that's being equal to this, which we'll call C. So we've got A times X is equal to C. We want to figure out what X is here. To do that, we need to get X by itself. So we multiply both sides by the inverse of A, like that. And then what that's going to leave us with is X is equal to C. And then you have to make sure you get the order correct. The inverse of A is there. Okay, and now it's just a matter of solving it. So let's do that. So if you wanted to, let's just do it all on the CAS now. So we're just going to have to define some things here. We'll come here, we'll go there. We've got a 3 by 3 matrix. We've got 2, 0, 1, 1, negative 2, 0. And then we've got 0, 1, negative 1. That is A. Hit enter. Then we've got this, that. Now we're actually going to have to go a custom one, aren't we? Because this is a 3 by 1. So we'll make this 1. This is going to be 5, 0, 1. Oh, that should be a negative 1. Then we'll come over here. We'll go control this. This is equal to C. And therefore, to find my answer now, to figure out what X is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, all right, A, the inverse of that, multiplied by C. And that means my answer is going to be those lovely numbers there. If we were to write out exactly what we're doing here, what we're doing after this step here, so I'm coming back up here, is I'm saying this. I'm saying that X, Y, Z, because remember, that's what X is. X is X, Y, Z, is equal to, now this is, I'm actually going to need more room here. You might have to space this out a bit more. Oh, actually, it will be fine. It'll be fine. We'll fit them in. It's going to be 8 on 5, 8 on 5, 4 on 5, 4 on 5, and 9 on 5, 9 on 5, like that. So that means my final answer here is X is equal to 8 on 5, Y is equal to 4 on 5, and Z is equal to 9 on 5. And that's my answer. That is how you do it. So this, and that. Perfect. Hopefully this makes sense to you and you understand how to approach it.